Hey, it's Svetlana Koche with Fancy Pants Hair. Ladies, have you ever wished you could just get one more day out of your style between washes? I'm about to show you how to make that dream a reality. Dry shampoo. It seems so simple, but if used correctly, it is a total game changer. Guys, I've been using this trick for years, and I guarantee it's going to become part of your normal routine as well. Dry shampoo. It's a product that you spray into your hair, and it's supposed to suck up all that nasty grease and give you an extra day or two out of your style, as well as give you some texture and volume. How do you use it? I love Moroccan oil dry shampoo. There's light tones, there's dark tones, and there's a few others that I really like. If you're interested, ask me in the comments below. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna split your hair, and you're just gonna spray at your root. Spray at your root. Spray at your root. I like to do 3 different sections on each side of my hair. 1, 2, 3. Spray at your root. Make sure you shake it before you spray it though. Alright, so now after it's done, sometimes you have this unsightly white residue from the dry shampoo in your hair. I'm going to tell you how to get rid of that. You're going to take a paddle brush and a hot blow dryer and just blow dry all of it in on high heat. And that will get rid of any white residue as well as give you a lot of body so that you can get an extra day or 2 out of your style. Voila! And you don't have to wash your hair. I know it seems simple, but at the moment, ladies, you know it seems like a Christmas miracle. So a question that I get a lot is there something else that you can use besides dry shampoo? Well, yes, you can use baby powder, but then you smell like a baby's butt crack, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe below, and I'm gonna keep these videos coming. We'll see you next time.